This is the Genesis G80. Your Genesis is equipped with an entire host of advanced driver assistance systems, such as highway driving assist, lane keeping assist, intelligent speed limit assist, and more. To customize how you receive these alerts, press the Setup button, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Convenience, and then Warning Methods. You can use this slider bar or the plus and minus icons to adjust the warning volume of the driver assistance systems. If the warning volume is set to 0 while the haptic warning is already turned off, the haptic warning will automatically turn on as a safety precaution. By pressing this checkbox, you can turn off or on the haptic steering wheel vibration warning function. If haptic warning is turned off while the warning volume is already set to 0, the warning volume will instead change to a setting of 2 as a safety precaution. By pressing this checkbox, your G80 will mute lane safety audible warnings when the haptic warning function is activated. By pressing this checkbox, you can turn off or on driving safety priority, which lowers all other audio volumes when a driver assistance system warning sounds. By pressing this checkbox, you can turn off or on parking safety priority, which lowers all other audio volumes when a parking assistance system warning sounds. Note that the vehicle will retain its current warning settings when turned off and then back on. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.